welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy. So today I am unboxing something a little bit different. It is Diamond Dotz at home. I recently purchased these two kits. I really liked this one. So typically I don't usually buy anything other than Diamond Art Club. And if you've been on my channel for any length of time, which is not long, but you know that most of my unboxings are Diamond Art Club. But I decided to give Diamond Dotz at home a try. I picked up this kit called Borealis. Am I in frame? Yes, it looks like I am. Sorry about the bump there. Borealis, it's kind of like a Northern Lights type of thing. And then I also got a big wave of, I don't think I can say this, Kanagawa. My wife likes this image, so I got it to basically appease her. Anyways, I thought I would unbox these. I've never done any type of Diamond Dotz diamond art kit before. Tonks has joined us. So this is an advanced / expert level, and it looks like it comes with this decorative crystal. It is technically a partial. The trees in this kit are, those don't have any drills on them. It's just like the sky. And then it has instructions and the kit contents on the back. This is very light compared to a Diamond Art Club. The other kit is very similar. It also has a giant crystal, decorative crystal as well. This one is, I can't really tell. It says like this is the diamond area and this is the design area. I think just the top of this background is not, you don't have any drills on that part. We'll see when we open it. But let's go ahead and open Borealis first. Oops. So it is like sealed. Have to kind of cut it open. Anything else in there? Nope, just that. I think I was expecting more because the box seems pretty wide. Okay, so we have our drills. And it looks like everything comes packaged in with the drills. So let's open this whole part up. Now, typically I don't go through the drills, but maybe I will for these ones. I'm just not familiar with Diamond Dotz. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these resin or acrylic? I really don't know how to tell. So if you know how to tell the difference, let me know in the comments below. But I don't think there's any ABs in this, but we shall see. I don't think so. Okay, so we have our drills, which They're pretty light. There's not very many there, so it shouldn't take very long to kit up or complete this kit. And then we have this, Tonks is interested. We have this pretty decorative gem. It says it's 13 facet. It's really nice. Like, you could use this as like a cover minder, I guess. I don't really use cover minders, but, or like a paperweight, or I don't know, a decorative giant gem. The toolkit that comes with it, we got a standard plastic tray, some pink wax. It looks like we have a gold pen. Ooh, it's actually kind of nice. It's like kind of comfortable to hold. And it has a gem on the top. That's nice. I'm not a gold type of person, but I like the way it feels. I'll give it a try. And then there's some baggies. And Tonks is trying to eat this stuff. Okay, so that's our goodies and our drills. Put that to the side. Let's open up the canvas. So I'm going to put this stuff to the side. So the canvas backing, it's like scratchy, but it's not terrible. All right, we have our instructions in multiple languages. Yes, in lots of different languages. I'm just going to go ahead and toss that now just because I don't feel like I need to keep this. Put that in the recycling bin. All right, let's get the kitty down. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty small canvas, but it is actually really pretty. I really like the different colors in it. But yeah, let me see if I can, I don't know, they folded it kind of weird. So it's like, roll it backwards halfway and then another halfway this way. Okay. Well, I think it's really pretty. The size is 20.1 inches by 16.1 inches. It is a image from Shutterstock. It's called Borealis. It's a partial. I've never done a partial before, but I feel like I'm going to have a lot of fun doing this one. I really like the colors of it, and I feel like it's going to work up pretty quickly. Oops. Let's look at the drill field. It looks pretty clear to me. Yeah, and it's different that like the image goes so far to the side. I'm not used to that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this for something different. So tell me what you think about Borealis. Is this something that you would consider doing? I do have a code listed in the description. If you want to get this kit, I will leave it linked in the description if you want to pick this up. It is on sale, I believe. I don't know where I'm going to put it because usually I put my canvases right back in the box, but this box is so ginormous. Seems weird to put it back in such a big box. Okay. Put that one to the side for right now. Now let's open the next one. I feel like this is going to be pretty similar. I just got home from work and it was a pretty good day. I came home and this was on my porch. All right, there is our canvas and our pack of drills and goodies. All right, we'll open this first. Oh, oops. All right, so we'll go look at this first. This one's like a blue 13 facet drill. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's nice. This toolkit is exactly the same as the last toolkit. So I'm just going to put that to the side. Here's our drills. It's round as well. Again, they feel really light, but also there's not a lot of drills to this canvas, so, or the canvas isn't very big, so there's not a lot there. Again, I don't know how to tell the difference between acrylic and resin, so if you do know, please let me know in the comments below. All right, let's open the canvas up. Here's our instructions. Just gonna put that in my recycling. There we go. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, my wife is gonna like this a lot. She really likes this image. This one is a little bit bigger than Borealis. This one is, let me roll it back so it lays flat. I might give this to her and see if she wants to do it. I doubt she will because she's not really like super into doing it. So this one is 23.6 inches by 16.1 inches. So it's just a little bit bigger than Borealis. But yeah, and then all of this area up here is, there's no drill field, it's just plain. So you don't place any drills at the top up here. All the wave is drills, all of this. But I don't think there's any ABs in these kits. I don't know how to tell. Sorry if you guys can hear her. She is looking out the window and that's what she does. But yeah, I don't think there's ABs in here. But you know what? If there isn't, oh wait, yeah, there is. There is one. It is 5001 or I don't know how to tell. I think they use a different numbering system. I'm not familiar with Diamond Dotz at all. So yeah, I think this is going to turn out really nice as well. I think my wife will like it once it's finished. But yeah, tell me what you think about these kits. Have you done a Diamond Dotz diamond painting before, and what did you think? And would you purchase them again? If you are interested in either one of these canvases, I will link them in the description down below. Full disclaimer, my link is an affiliate code, so I may earn a small commission if you do purchase. There's no obligation. If you want to just check it out, you can go ahead and just check it out. But they were kind enough to send me these, and then yeah, I really liked these two canvases. But yeah, let me know what you think. And if you want me to check out other diamond painting shops and get something for a review, let me know. I would be happy to check something out. Not saying that I can afford to do that with every shop, but I am open to looking at other shops that are out there, just because I have not branched out that much. And recently somebody told me that I should, and I'm going to take that advice and try other shops and other companies and stuff like that. So yeah, tell me what you think down below. If you don't mind giving my video either a like or a comment, or even like my video to subscribe. Oh my gosh, I feel so awkward right now, per usual. Anyways, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, as I'm trying to grow my channel to be more involved in our community, and I would love to get to know you better. Yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.